When considering an SSD upgrade to boost your laptop's performance on a budget, students should look into the benefits of adding a solid-state drive to their current setup. An SSD significantly speeds up boot times and application launches, providing a noticeable improvement for studying and casual gaming sessions. Always check compatibility with your laptop's model and opt for at least a 256 gigabytes capacity to balance cost and storage needs. Choosing a reputable brand ensures reliability and a longer lifespan, so look for options like Samsung or Crucial. Lastly, don't forget to back up your data before switching, making the transition smooth and safe.